Ghanaians to knowledge. Bruni be say knowledge is power.
Yes.
Into those days, one of the institutions that was set up because they recognized the importance of knowledge acquisition was the Ghana Library Authority.
I see.
Yeah, President Ikra. Yeah,
so the last
papa and board chairman.
I see. So for the last 4 years in the year, you've been in control.
Yes.
And then you must start. So Akoma FM. More targeting mebnuno. What is it about the mebnuno as some person more targeting?
Okay. So far, the Library Authority said they make as at 2016, 2018. They were only 61 branches across the country.
61 branches.
61 branches across the country.
I see.
CCM no kase 109 branches within 4 years.
109.
Yes.
Wow.
Branches across the country. 16 regions. Your footprint yetimi recruit over 100 staff to add to the existing 486 staff. Say across the country, we have a good presence. We have your books and now your shelves so. Me ma data kakra no say na kasa Ghana Library so the India want a library nka for very long time. They say library no eguye. Na say nkegu
da bi kan ye egu ya na so na
nkegu se nipa ho mo nkegu ana janya me ada Roma say excellency the president Akoma say ye boama say ekoso na ye 1981 na ye 36 libraries in Ghana.
1981.
Yes, near 36 libraries in Ghana.
Okay.
That's 36 libraries now.
Akoma FM.
Books are now a war shelves also across the country. 1,049,526.
I see.
But fast forward into 2016, now your libraries now could do 61 branches. Your book stock on so now reduce about 349,000.
I don't know we are not no more day. I know more
because ni ento books in the book in a bit tia intimi to be
there
was no investment in the public library space. And untina e bi nipa bebre ka say no monte library in Ghana mo da so na ne ade no. Enti nyame ada Roma now no yetimi increase the book stock no to 1 million.
1.2 million.
1.2 million
I
books
see.
Within 4 years.
I see.
The aboa ama say libraries na be krabehwe. Because of various interventions here in the digital space near the other. Library Authority, one of the main pillars of our work, promotion of lifelong learning.
Promotion of lifelong
learning.
And as I just said, bro,
no say
me ko ketia
no say adisua ni awie as abribia no nipa also eden usua de
I see.
Ntie enye say bia ukosua de say wo exams bi twro nko an also usua de
yes
ten bia na also usua de Akoma supposed to continuously connect Ghanaian citizens to knowledge resources.
Okay.
Enunti ana enne enwumre ye kama obi ate say Ghana Library Authority your youth engagement center project say wo boss so say youth engagement then no naturally the 2020 you started project be a friend read to scale.
Okay.
Because Ghana you say one of our major challenge unemployment. And as a library authority, how do we contribute to the economic transformation of this country? It is only by connecting our citizens to a relevant knowledge resources. If you be an entrepreneur, here knowledge resources on entrepreneurship to be able to succeed. Or be a journalist, here relevant knowledge resources on journalism to be able to operate. And is what we've been working at. In promotion of lifelong learning, bi is a bit more busino can kind. But if you also a bit me amount work online school, you bit me amount access to what we call massive open online courses.
Oh, okay.
2020 ni Commonwealth of Learning for Soyasene, Emma Samru, 40,000 Ghanaians now benefited. Pay for scholarship for them to go on Udemy and Coursera to take up courses in various fields.
I see.
Project management, data management, data analysis, baby entrepreneurship, people skills, and the other thing. Yetimi aboa amamam for enrollee a benefited from that opportunity.
I see.
And that opportunity now you're creating, you can sit at your home and take those courses. No? There were some gaps that we recognize. You see, in Ghana, about only 7% of the population have access to computers.
7%?
7%. And they have access to personal computers, and laptops, and tablets.
Yeah.
And courses in the beyond so hard, Nipa no here baby so better. Now with me a type or Bibia na bit me a year or phone so.
Yes.
Enti the year and the Ghana Library Authority the
Akoma FM
omomwayen ni encreate bibi friend youth engagement centers. Yeah no ye be ye ho kama ni ama Wi-Fi computers bibi a ho na young people omuntimi omuhia computers
no omotimi
akoho omakwakoye
omo de buy
de aba ama CCR me no kase enu nti na me wa ha chese Ashanti Library ye cultural center ho no ya creative center ho ya
oh really
yes ya Wi-Fi blow computers or hall, a month for hall, more staff for home, be assist if you want to take up the opportunity.
Nice. So we are talking about this particular initiative. Fantastic one. One no more your main target. Akoma FM. One crack it in kitty and I say yeah no more bunia ne betimi akwakoya na say.
So this project is targeting those between the age of 14 to 24.
14 to 24.
Yes, because once there's our age group, no, that time no, hona afina
adwene
we person explore different opportunities and different learning.
Nti opana no mo de omo nka ho.
You almost bro age now. We can allow you to benefit from the project.
Okay.
And so you can go there and they can give you the opportunity to enroll on any of the courses. But the main focus, or those that we are providing strategic support on, between the age of 14 to 24.
I see.
Yes.
Ghana for and Naze Bia Mufia Mahodo, Bia Bitima benefiting from this program.
We are Ghana in our Ashanti region, ha, dear, Ubitimi Aquasha.
We hear ID card Biana.
We hear no answer wako, no cultural coordinator, and so we are interested to participate. Or do we take you through or give you some links to explore some of the courses?
I see.
No apply near enrolling.
You bet Ghana.
Uncheska a free.
It's also free.
Free, you know, because
now why is it free? I mean, let me know why is it free.
The free because we recognize say on say anka nipa na anka se be nka wo ska bibria anka beto computer ni be no ati use.
Yeah.
It only be enti na why den or baby use.
Akoma FM.
Ana anka no kure ne say anka library anka social institutions me paper ne anka library services in be free for the citizen.
Yeah.
Ukwa no ne kuro bebre so a they you know they are giving the opportunities to do this for free. Enti eno no na enunti ana ye den ye give you that opportunity for young people in Ghana to take up this opportunity.
I see. Now, so Ghana Library Authority, mobile about 4 years ago. Now more harder. But 4 years ago, no, what kind of achievements na motimenya from the international world? Any recognition be amwenya?
Ghana Library Authority will share Jumedia ye at least for the past 4 years now. I saw some notable international institutions.
Okay.
Last year, we 2 international awards. The first in the 72-year history of this organization.
I see.
For 72 years, you win international award. But last year, London International Book Fair Awards.
London International Book Fair Awards,
which is the foremost, book awards program. Yeah, will be into
Akoma FM
of the year.
Oh, okay.
After analyzing the work of various libraries over the COVID period, after analyzing the work of various libraries across the world during 2020 COVID period, they realized that Ghana Library Authority use innovative ways to be able to continuously connect our citizens to relevant knowledge resources. So here you use your mobile library van, for example, at the Kokoko Krasin near package books that my young people to be able to read. They introduce you this massive open online course platforms. Engage you 40,000 Ghanaians to be continuously connected to learning resources to read. And now here Ministry of Education learning management system Modo Ghana Library Authority
Modo
manage the learning management system.
I see.
Android Play Store App Store honoma baby I download TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. That's all Instagram. How Facebook.
Oh yeah.
Baby, I'll download you know. Okohona type of Ghana library. Yes, you be P. So download you be now so when your books be.
For more if our iPhone and I say 100 phone na yen type of Ghana library near here say. Okay. So Ghana library. Library no question what say.
Akoma FM.
Okay, so Ghana library.
Akoma FM.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine, fantastic.
Ubenya no download, ubenya access to audio books, e-books, and
I
video tutorials. Inti sa video tutorials na ye show Ghana Learning TV na nkora COVID period near the church. Ye de ni nyina egu app na so. The good news in this platform so is rated by MTN and Vodafone, so you don't spend your data even reading. And say that is you are creating so much opportunity in London International Book Fair for her. No, say library be anywhere.
But yeah, this is the first time I'm hearing this. Are they?
So me say ABM's own parking kind.
Own parking kind. Me parking kind.
Because daily graphic my
Akoma FM.
Daily graphic the almost intro me brebe. But you see
on parking.
But apart from the background, there are other people they are hearing it for the first time.
Yes.
I mean, so about the sana, how is the patronage like?
In fact, Mekachro say your patronage for public library use in this country has gone up significantly.
Yeah.
I mean, my data be 2016, Nipe Core Library or Ghana had 393,410
across the country.
Across the country. But it's some interventions are your DSCC kwem. Not 2021, yeah, just after COVID. We
Akoma FM
137,833 visits.
Between ages within the same age group, right?
Yeah, within the same age group. So everybody that comes to the library, we take data on them.
I see.
And this is the record. And if you look over the last 4 years, it's been progressing. It's all because of the innovative interventions.
I see.
It's say a month what and can you see better was a wakwenya de amai.
Because remember the do now or I mean montante na me wo madam for me so me cultural center no ni cultural center but now as to new kwakoye wo hono na me say na wo kan na so Ashanti region cultural center nkwa na wo
there be your Ashanti region your libraries bebre wa ha your Bantama say your library ketwa bi wo ho Cherepatre you bi wo ho Odumase you bi wo Konongo you bi wo Efijase you bi wo Obuase you bi wo Kumawu nso kra your library first lady kra na besima omo.
I see. Is it in use?
Yes, it is in use.
I see.
It is highly patronized.
Because your crew had the tested down the Mawa one here now Bianco.
And I want to say now you can't award Nasem. No, London International Book Fair. You know, the other award I say United Nations Public
Akoma FM.
And no, established in 2003. Ghana Public Service Agency BNB. That near the first institution a public service agency or Ghana has award maybe and also more here innovative approaches to be able to connect Ghanaian citizens to knowledge resources or more the crowd or more take one of our project your friend mobile ICT in 2018 no not just mobile library vans no access na nya adwuma but yetimi eboa mass advance ni nyina ya rebranded no man fix problems ni nyina put it back on the road and the books afoforo egumu ya mfa books nko na me gefe kasa e no mo so ma me laptops am de kan
Akoma FM
laptops and kasa HP proper laptops and ya the go vans ni 10 vans across the country were equipped na vans no nim de ye ko school bi ma school now omni labs no was it junior high schools omni labs
do no
I'm saying it's 90% or more
in
the target or more final year no your better be see now your math teachers no use your devices no for experiential learning
no much me use there
use so much so you are what keyboard but who keyboard on van some press used to be that
e no money mouse no
who kra no just more opportunity for that practical part of the ICT course it's your data net
Akoma FM
previous years man benefit no any omo benefit here no omo perform way better than omo exposure.
Okay, so apart from this youth engagement program no more any other initiative be and also be engaging youth nana
your programs be we set up a lot of reading clubs across the country.
Okay,
until we will be open humana park in Kenya mesre call any of the nearest library or call library.gov.gh you can have access to the GPS location of all public libraries so you can find the one near you. Now with me alcohol na
you just walking
not without any fee only you pay to become a member when you start borrowing books out. That's when you pay a token to be able to do that.
Yes, one very sensitive question be the mouth. The issue of children's park, I abandon Chrome Hanum say. Is it under your authority?
So children's park is under the children's department, which is under Department of Social Welfare.
And
the children's park in itself, is not under us. But in the past, when they established children's park, they put libraries in there. In Kumasi and Akoma, there was a library in there. Oko Sunyane Children's Park, there was a library in there. But unfortunately, because of challenges with
Akoma FM
management across the country, some of these facilities are
can't you revive it? Because the facilities are there. A building need associate.
Yes, I mean I know. Say for example, Kumasi the say meaning say mpenifo say get fund crowd. I'm a contractor. They are looking to be able to rebuild the Akoma one. For operations to get back.
I see. Okay, so what are you? My main beef lines in kakra wana. Who are what question be able to me so Fuga what question Nana? Ghana Library Authority. Who what question Nana? And I also back in
Akoma FM
reading there. So when read there.
I wasn't been back in Motion many moments been back in
So when read there now the better that was reading is very, very important.
Yeah. I see.
Most of the figures I quoted now, I will say I will just cross check them. And then
fact check about leave that Jamaian.
They said they will be selling children's park. No, Mimi Shano. Now me take out children's park. Say me call New Oxford International.
That's all the woman.
Your pombia ni ko ready.
When I'm here, that man,
they get from now. Okay, say no. We have
Akoma FM.
Anyway,
Master, what is your politics?
What I know is the current mayor passes our comment be so on the private sector be no more sure how to revive
and
the
I don't know what kind of
into all can get fund and then I'm mama yeah
okay so 0243114497 0243114497 03224 98035 03224 98035.
Akoma FM.
No question be there about 98036 98037 0244114497. No question be able to me bisa Ghana Library Authority here. Honomo ekwenya honomo de ma obetumi afrem sisi na yetumi edisa nkomo no. Now so going into that before say be ma afrem for abemu no. Going into it. Now sisi no those initiative no what do you seek to achieve at the end of the day?
Okay. At the end of the day, I'm saying Ghana, one of our major challenges on employment issues. As a library authority, you better position yourself to connect, say, Odema Ghana, Mebuno be connected to the relevant knowledge resources.
Okay.
We heard the
Akoma FM.
You build the capacity, you build the human resource, so that opportunity or whatever somebody or initiative will be person will take Yet me abuana then I'm not taking.
Okay. Hello, good evening. But you ready? If you say,
Manuel, where the Casablanca
Mammy Junior.
But you need to talk with them. Jan walk the canway and class and also bend.
Oh, question you too clear, Sabrabio.
We know about swimming crackers in
Akoma FM.
Or I've been one and grassing. I'm climbing access to die on some bend.
Okay. Obey ya no diama. Also bet me do dia ba 0243114497 0322498035 98036 98037 0244114497. Me the question here. I say a crank and pay for so Nkro. Okay.
Real crass and all then almost that. And I make us a tama me bar office. I buy we bar.
Akoma FM.
Library vans are president go for time. Yeah, procure ya ne support to mobile. I
see.
And that time na Dr. Matupoku Prempe on the Minister
of Education. Yeah.
And we invest in my to revive a mobile library service in this country.
That's your juma.
You say nini na year juma. No ni akwaje you na award.
Do be say.
Since ya 10. Yes, last 2 years of crowns. Ya say ma snet. Ya be inherited 10. And I say snet crowns ya mom so asa tobacco kan wa 11. Ya say no mo no kon krase.
I see.
Yeah, targeted programs. As you see, I mean, no, your project be any UNICEF or targeted 6 regions are and on advance.
Akoma FM
readers. Yeah, to me a supply or more with learning material.
Mami, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Bajaweni. Hello. Okay. Oja no what me agina so kakra na yetumi atonka.
My main son can be because on say me catch or say you to library footprint o krum ha nyina 61 pay.
Yeah.
But within the last 4 years, you know, 4 years at least, me call library authority, you know, yet the library or Porimaku 48
na beka ho,
which is
Akoma FM
of this country.
In
fact, actually, if you look at the education strategic plan 2018 to 2030, meaning also can kind Google download the target and was said by 2030 we have 540 community libraries across the country.
I see.
Which to me it is even still not enough. We have to do more as a country. Just imagine say constituency be Accra in 3 libraries.
Yeah, Kenya bad.
Honorable Afenyo Mark in constituency in Kwa. Or 12 libraries. You're non Kwan AC for the constituency. And so it is doable.
Very well.
It is a Finland. Yeah, population.
Akoma FM.
They have over 800 libraries.
I don't know if Finland there. Nagane.
And so I mean example of the need for us to invest in public libraries.
Okay, so finally on this very particular issue, then I will catch a mebuno between that age I will can up to be 24. Now, so then I will catch them more football. What should they do? What should they expect from you?
What we expect, say MCC saying we've invested a lot in public library space, you know, here maybe capture the books that we had on our shelves and how we managed to increase the book on our shelves.
Yeah,
the mobile app that we've created, the content,
Akoma FM,
open online platforms that we have made available for people to enroll. No, yeah, best stress Ghana for Mabuno and making use of these opportunities. Oko online, oko library.gov.gh, you find the nearest branch. Koho neko explore all the opportunities are yetimia making available for young people in this country. Parents make kaise me no kase o grow up no na yede neko amakom ho no akwa ready. Sisi a me no kase ye young people ye musen and yetimide ye nkola eco libraries on Saturday, so omonko register and also omonko borrow books. And this is what we are encouraging. Say young sa opportunity na ye nyaye no ye create same opportunity for yenso yema. Saturday yenko cultural center, yenko Bantama library, yenko Chapachira library, yenko borrow books ema yenkola nenkan.
Yenko free.
Yenko borrow ai uko free no kan wi ana dia ba.
Okay, so Mr. Ivo, CEO for Ghana Library Authority, I'm grateful this evening.
Thank you
for your time. For that explanation. But Munko Swamra, engage Mebunu more because almost here can kind of be. Let me assert me akoye ediamaye. We are grateful.
Thank you.
From Akoma FM.